Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Bonu. So for now, we didn't post black phenyl making video. Today we are going to discuss what is the reason for that. Already we have posted many making videos for white phenyl, scented phenyl, color phenyl, thick phenyl, etc. All are disinfectants as well as cleaning materials. Black phenyl also coming under the same category, a disinfectant and also a cleaning material. Of course, it is a powerful disinfectant. Apart from that, it will extend the life of the disinfection. I mean, it will prevent the growth of the microorganisms for extended period. And also, it is economy. Black phenyl is economy. There is no possibility for layer separation in black phenyl, and also in any dilution we can mix with water. Even though there is one potential minus point, that is during the making process of black phenyl, we need to use one material, that is creosote oil, that is carcinogen, that is not good material. To avoid that material, we are avoiding the making process of black phenyl. Creosote oil is a material derived from tar. Nearly for 150 years, it has been used in various industries. In Wikipedia, you can see a lengthy article about creosote oil. It is a very good effective preservative for wood industries and timber department. But the problem is, as per IARC, International Agency for Research on Cancer, it is coming under the category of Group 2A carcinogen. So that we are avoiding black phenyl making video, black phenyl making process. Of course, chloroxylene are also having similar chemical structure and chemical properties, but chloroxylene is not reported as carcinogen as per IARC. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.